Hello everyone, so today I will be doing lesson 5 problem 4, and this says find the x values if any at which the function f of x equals x minus 6 over x squared minus 36 is not continuous. Which of the discontinuities are removable? So first, I think it's important to note that if x equals 6 and these values were 6, that this would be 0 over 0, and we can't have that. So what that means is that when x equals 6 that's the limit. 6 is the limit right here. So the next thing you'd want to do is factor out this equation right here. So once you factor it out, you should get x minus 6 over x minus 6 times x plus 6, and the reason you want to factor it out is just so you can get rid of these two x minus 6 values and be left with x 1 over x plus 6. And once you get to x plus 6, you want to plug in the limit that we had before, which was 6, because x can't equal 6 or else it would be 0, 0. And that's the limit, so we want to plug this into that, and we'll be left with 1/12. I would also like to note that if we plugged in negative, let me get a different color, negative 6 for this value, we would also get 0, 0, so this would make this one of the new limits. And 1 over 12 would be if the limit is at x equals 6, and that would be removable by using the 1/12. So that would be our answer.